the leg, we're going to start off with a little bit of a tail to use for sewing later. You're going to do 18 chains to start. So here's my slip knot, and I'm going to chain 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Now in the second chain from your hook, you're going to insert a slip stitch. And then slip stitch in the next 2 chains as well. That makes the first toe. It's 3 slip stitches long. Then you're going to chain 4. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Slip stitch in the second chain from your hook. And you're going to slip stitch in the next 2 chains as well. So here's the next chain and the one after. Slip stitch back into the same spot as the first toe. You're going to have this nice little 90-degree angle between the 2 toes here. Then you're going to make the third toe, which is 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. Insert your hook into the second second chain from the hook. Then insert your hook into the next chain for a slip stitch, and then slip stitch in that last chain. Then go right back into that same place where you slip stitched your 3 toes, or 2 toes from earlier. So you should have this sort of perpendicular sign now. And what you'll just do from here on out is insert your hook into the next chain and pull through for a slip stitch. So you're going to do this all the way back down the chain until you reach the very last chain. When you reach the very end, you can go ahead and fasten off. You'll have a nice little leg that is long and has 3 little toes at the very end. And you're going to make 2 for your flamingo pattern. All right, thanks so much for watching and hope you have a fun time crocheting. Bye now.